Check out our newest feature release. Equipment and room booking is now available. Our CRM's latest feature allows you to effortlessly manage rooms and equipment, making it a breeze to schedule and book resources for your business. Why it matters and how this is going to help you and your business. This feature update is going to allow you to easily identify assigned rooms and booked equipment with appointment details. You'll be able to choose specific rooms during appointment creation, and this is going to save you time and resources by efficiently managing rooms and equipment for your business. So, to find this feature, you're going to go to Calendars, and then when that upper navigation opens, I want you to go to Preferences. And now you're going to enable both service menu, rooms, and equipment based on what you need. Now, I'm going to have you go back over into the Calendars tab and then go into Rooms in the lower navigation that opens up once you are in Calendars and then within the calendar settings. Now I'm going to have you click on the plus Create Room button. From there, you're going to put in all of the details, how many people can fit in that room, what the capacity is, what the name of the room is, and you're going to link it specifically to a calendar. Now, let's go ahead and select the equipment area, and I'm going to have you click plus Create Equipment. Same thing here. We're going to fill out those details. We're going to name our equipment. We're going to describe it. We're going to explain how many pieces of equipment we have, and we're going to be able to identify if it is currently out of service. Maybe it's being repaired. And then you're also going to select the calendar that is going to relate to. Now, I want you to be able to see everything that you have got. So let's go to Calendars in that main left-hand navigation and then into your appointments. Now, you can go ahead and click on the three dots on the right side on any of your appointments and click View Details. From there, it's going to open up and you're going to be able to see everything you need to see. What room, what equipment, who is the service provider, everything. So let's talk a little bit about room selection for your service calendars. So while you're under that appointment area, you can actually switch this around. You have an area called Select Room, and now you can even change people and put them into another room. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.